And the experiment is set up. We've got our control group on the left, we've got the Frass trays on the right, and now we just wait 2 weeks. Let's quickly go back in time and look and see what we're going to test here. And this is the location I'm going to grab that dirt from. It's just in the top of this little yard we've got here. I'm going to grab that dirt and use it in the test. All right, they will reside here in the garden. So we've got an enclosed garden. And they're going to use that rainwater over there that's been captured. So it'll get rainwater, plenty of sun during the day, and nice and protected from any critters. I've got fescue, which is a little bit of ryegrass. I think it's 80% fescue. And then clover on the bottom one. So fescue grass on the north, clover on the south. And we're just going to toss it in. And now the clover. All right, we don't need too much frass for this. So what I'm simulating is top dressing. So if you were going to seed your lawn and then top dress this on top of it, that's what we're going to simulate here. So we're going to put the frass on the east side, the two right hand, and the two lefts aren't going to get any top dressing of frass. Based on this, lots of different ways to use it, but I'm going to do the top dress there, which is 1 pound per 20 square feet. Those are about 2 square feet, so time for some math. All right, we need 1.6 ounces. So you can see I got a little bit in there already, and then double checking my math. So I'm going to go up here to 1.6. And all I'm going to do is take this and just sprinkle it across the top. Okay, top tray's done. I'm just going to kind of run my hands across this. All right, got them watered in. You can see now that frass worked its way down into the dirt there, which is perfect. And again, all we're simulating is top dressing, clover and grass seed, and then adding frass in on top of that. Any normal yard. All right, in lieu of straw, I just topped it with some grass clippings so that they're covered, just as if you were putting straw over some new seeds in your yard. And now we wait.